A political firestorm has erupted within Zimbabwe's fractured opposition. Former MDC Alliance Secretary General Carlton Wende has publicly accused his former leader, NELSONCHAMISA, of being bribed to remain silent on ZANU-PF's controversial 2030 agenda, a plot to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule. Since former Secretary General Carlton Wende, who is a shocker, says Chamisa was bribed over ED2030 plot. No subscribe or like on the bell icon. The explosive allegations on X ignited fierce debate about the opposition's state and the leadership integrity. When the now KUTYA East legislator posted that Chamisa was offered a drink to ignore ZVAITWA's maneuvers, a thinly veiled accusation of corruption, striking at Chamisa's credibility. For months, Chamisa's conspicuous silence on the 2030 issues fueled speculation, while ZANU-PF built momentum for constitutional changes. Chamisa, who twice claimed victory over Mnangagwa in disputed elections, remained on the sidelines. His cryptic "No to 2050" post on X was seen by many, including Wende, as an evasive maneuver. In an exclusive interview with The Standard, a defiant NELSONCHAMISA dismissed the allegations as ramblings. Those things are said in circumstances of intoxication, he retorted. Why should I waste my time on issues of drinks? For the record, I bear multiple scars for staying principled, focused, and consistent. He vehemently denied receiving any inducement from the ruling party, painting a stark picture of his own reputation. I am not in parliament. I have not received a loan from ZANU-PF. I don't have a farm. I have nothing that I have received from anyone except persecution, ridicule, oppression, and attempted assassination. Chamisa, a teetotaler, found the analogy of drinks insulting. Am I that stupid that I would go for a drink and not for a country? I don't even drink, so this analogy of drinks doesn't apply to me, he asserted, highlighting the claims. See absurdity. Chamisa said the betrayal from within when these allegations and the opposition say fractured so. When these accusations is more than a political jab, it represents a deep schism within the opposition. His public break with Chamisa underscores internal power struggles and ideological divisions. His allegations, true or not, provides ammunition to a ruling party that portrays the opposition as chaotic and self-serving. Ndomamiro zvakaita muri Zimbabwe panguva ine Wende achiclaima kuti NELSONCHAMISA aiwa pane zvakapiwa nethe ruling party ZANU-PF kuti aramba akanyara panhau ye2030. ameno ise mukuona kwamuri kuita mapooster kuti NELSONCHAMISA nekusaopoza zviri direct issues the 2030 munoti kudiwa panhau iyi. Kuna comment section menu zvafundo enyu mutodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.